become game developers. And mercenaries? Is that what we call them? Who cares? Two mad hen dougteaches, Ue5 StarFox clone. Yes.
Happy New Year, everyone. In this video, oh man, we are gonna set up our input actions. Oh, Jesus Christ. Everything hurts.
Well, then that's why you shouldn't go to the gym.
Shut up. Yeah, my New Year's resolution was I hit the gym. So, I'm gonna make a new folder. I'm gonna call this input actions. Oh. And in this video, we are going to right click. And if you like, I can't believe I'm going to do this.
Yeah, you might as well just say it.
If you like the content that I bring out, make sure you like and subscribe because that would actually help the channel of Doom. So we're going to make our first input. And we're going to be putting input action. I'm going to call this IA movement. Oh, fuck. Good Lord. Now, we need to, we need to double click on this. Move this up here. Now, if memory serves correctly, we can't have this be a digital bool. This has to be, I gotta move forward a little bit. Axis 2D, vector 2D. Because this will allow us to move up, down, left, right. Now, for quick context, because you don't know much about it, seeing as how I didn't expand upon this in the Killer 7 clone. See, the new input action, how Epic has set this thing up. Sorry. Scrounging around for my smokes. Don't smoke, kids. See, how Epic set this up is this. In the old version, in the olden days of Ue5, you could go into project settings, manually set up your inputs, and you could still technically do that. They say it's depreciated, but like you could still like get away with that. I mean, we did in the Killer 7 clone. So, what's so good about the input axes and the input action, etc.? This one input action allows us to toggle the movement in the collection. We're gonna get to the collection like right now. I'm gonna right click. Oh, to input. Input collection. I'm just gonna call this player controls. Now, goddamn, in here, we need to add a variable. We need to add an array element because it's looking for array elements, and we need to.
You really have to stop hitting the tilde key.
It was an accident. Fuck you. So, in... Shit. What was I gonna do? Fuck. Hold on. Oh no, I meant... Yeah, the reason why I came back here was I wanted to make sure I saved because... Yeah, it doesn't save automatically. So anyway, we're in player controller, right? What? Yeah, we have to go into mappings. Hit that little plus. This drop down menu will share, and we see IA movement. Fuck. We go to shit. We hit the plus 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And we need the WASD keys for here. Now you could go through this drop down menu. Or I'm just gonna click on this little keyboard and then hit W. A-S-D. Now, here's the thing. We're not done. We need to ensure that W key has
instead. No. Really, fuck it. I'm trying to remember where we put the swizzle thing. Is it on the modifier? Swizzle input access value. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Is it? Under triggers. I'll double check. Uh, I'll leave it as is. Okay. And with the A, if memory, fuck. Okay, this time I gotta pause the video because I'm trying to remember. Oh, really? Yes, I am forgetting. You really should script this. Shut up with the scripting. It's not gonna happen. So with A, we need a modifier, and this modifier will just be negates. D we can leave alone because that's going right. However, with S, we will need two modifiers, one being a swizzle and the other being negate. Yeah, Y, X, Z, and this one can be negate. Alright. Alright, we're done with this. I can save this down. In our player aircraft, right? We need to get. No, not get. Cast to player controller. And then from here, we can get controller. We could ask if this is valid, but I'm not going to. Oh, fuck. Input. No. Context. Fuck, what was it called? Fuck. Get input context? Fuck, what was that thing called? God damn it. Are you pausing the video again? No. But I will. It. Ugh. Fucking. Ugh. What the hell was. Oh, it's not input context. Subsystem? Is it? Oh, it was that. And then, this is where the context bit comes in. Context. It should be. Isn't it get? Hey, shift. Ah, my shift key is sticking again. No! You know, it's weird. I had this weird dream last night where I was batting the back of my keyboard. Get. In. Fuck. I was having this weird dream last night where I was patting down the back of my keyboard and add mapping context. There we go. I was patting down the back of my keyboard, and like a slice of steak came out of my keyboard. What? I don't know. Anyway, we gotta get our player controls. So we're done with this. We'll have this here, but later. Right now, we need to. Oh fuck! That hurt my ear. Right click. What I call this IA movement. Right, so I'm just gonna hit that drop down menu. Shit. it is... fuck. Man, I am having the dumbest brain farts, I swear to God. Okay. Drag this out. Add movement input. Okay. Oh. Mm, Okay, so add movement input. We got to do this for A and D. And how do we do that? So what we would need to do is a control rotation and then the right vector. Control rotation. And then we split this. Split the struct in. And then get right vector. We split this. Split the struct pin. I think we plug this in a U and this in a U, and then this goes in a U. As far as world rotation is concerned, input action. Can I split this? No, I cannot. Action value, can I split this? Yes, I can. So the X value would go into our scale. And in here, we have to duplicate this. But we have to change some of this shit. We gotta get rid of this. We gotta get up vector. And then we split this shit. Is it the roll? Hold on, I gotta check something out. U. Huh, okay, it's the roll. Are you sure? Only one way to find out. If I'm wrong, then fuck me, right? Anyway, plug this in. Plug this in. Plug U in. And then take this scale value. And I might have to multiply it by a negative. Are you sure? Yeah. Might. This. I don't know if this is gonna work. Let's play it. What? Hold up. What? Oh, right, because we are in this stage. We have to go to reset levels. Let's go... Is it level 1? I'm gonna play. We can't tell if it works. Yeah, I know. Where is player? Where's the player? You know what? I have a better idea. What are you doing? Artist scale. I'm gonna scale this thing, this son of a bitch out. Let's scale it up. Right there. There we go. Are we moving left and right? We could be, but it's probably not. Oh no, we are. We gotta fine tune that. Yes, we do. We definitely do. Why is it moving so slow to the left and right? Short answer, this thing needs to be smaller. Wait, really? Yeah, this thing's huge. This thing's fucking massive, dude. Can't be that massive. You want to bet? Okay, let's. Fuck, come on, now. Yeah. That's not that big. It's huge. So it doesn't like big things. At the very least, we're moving in a direction. Ugh. How are we gonna fix it? I mean, like, can we multiply it? Wait, can you move up and down again? Sure. Motherfucker. Hold on. Okay. Wait a second. It's not moving up and down for some reason. It's brake checking you. Yeah, it is. Okay. Right, so let's go in here. We are moving left and right. Uh huh. So what are we gonna do? Get rid of that. Put this into that. Oh, the Z? Really? Yeah. Let's see if that works. Moving left and right. Wait a second. Okay. Split. Split. Let's put that in. Z axis. There we go. Well, I have to hit down for a while. Wait, is down moving to the ground? Yes, it is. Okay. All right. So that means under the scale value, we gotta multiply it by a negative. By negative one. And let's multiply it again by something pretty big. Let's say 50. What? Are you serious? Yes. Plug that in. Well, let's play this. And now we're moving. Yeah, we're doing it a lot faster now. So are we gonna do the same with left and right? Yep. Mm-hmm. So, multiply this by 50. So we can turn a lot faster. No! Fucking play. Yeah, we're turning a lot faster now. Why did you multiply by negative one? So that way when we're hitting W, we're going down. Couldn't you invert it in the movement? We can, but, like, I just wanted to do this. Alright. Ugh. You really should script this. We got more things to do than just the movement input, okay? Like what? Well, for starters, we still have to have an all range mode, and that means we have to go into. We have to get this thing. I think we have to control rotate. No. Yaw. No. Control. Rotate. No. Is it rotation? Rotation. Control rotation. Yeah, we have to set control rotation. I think on the yaw when we're doing all range mode. Wait, what? Yeah, we have to do that. It's either in here. Hold on, I'm gonna find that. Is it control rotation? No. I'm gonna type in yaw. Mm-hmm. Okay, so there's that. Where's it? Self. Control. Yeah, yeah, it's here. We have to see if I'll show you what I mean. I'm gonna untake yaw. Why? You'll see. Let's control. Let's compile and let's play. Hmm. What's going on? Yeah, you're not turning, but it's turning. No, it is turning. It's just not turning around. Let's take this again. Play. Play. You're strafing. Yeah. Okay. So what's the dealio? Hold on. I am going. Is it? Yeah. Is it pitch? I'm gonna fucking. I think it's either pitch or roll. I'm gonna try pitch. Okay. Go and take that. Take that. Compile. Play. Yeah, you see how it's like really starting to strafe? When we go into all range mode, we have to play with these properties. We're essentially going to have to say, okay, instead of actually strafing, turn around. We have to actually have the turn rate. Okay, how will we do that? We'll actually have to have a boolean set up here. Well, for starters, we're gonna have a sequence, and this is gonna have to act simultaneously. So this one goes here, and then the then one will have to go to this bad boy, where it's going to like handle the up and down, and we have to check for all range mode. That's gonna happen next week. No, because as much as I'd want to do that, we have to start doing the like. I'd rather get through um, the enemy aircraft, how it's attached to a spline, and how it moves along the spline. Because I'd rather get through the blaster portion. Are we gonna have G diffusers? No. Yeah. No. We're not doing G diffuser. Are we actually doing friendly AI? Here's the thing with friendly AI. I think I explained this, but like they're usually on a spline for the most part, and then friendly AI starts doing its own thing. Like not during boss fight. Well, friendly AI happens when you're in that Independence Day style map from StarFox 64, and then again when you're fighting Wolf and his crew. Uh-huh. Yeah, that sounds about right. So, we are going to essentially get some AI up and running first. So let's get rid of that, and then blast our way into it because we don't necessarily have to tackle all range mode just yet. Jesus. Wow, my nose is all manner of running. End it here, narrator. And there you have it, game developers. Tune in next week for Doug Teaches Ue5. Yes.